Welcome to Ash Knows Travel, where your passion meets endless possibility. Here, travel meets innovation. Learn to grow your business, elevate your brand, and create unforgettable experiences for clients.
See, listen.
From luxurious escapes
this is why I'm teaching you guys this. Because you guys are just missing
remote
out.
advisor
Right?
success stories,
Again, you have to know what your why is, and my why is like, I don't want to go back to where I was, and suffer, like.
this is your place to dream bigger, book smarter, and
Companies say
explore
that
the
doesn't
world
align
with
with our
confidence.
brand. Okay, that's you. I want you to become a brand. I want you to become. You sell travel. Make travel your business, but at the same time, make it your life. Right?
Ash Knows Travel, where passion meets possibility. Join our community and subscribe on YouTube, youtube.com/@ashknowstravel.